Welcome to World Famous Foods with Mr. Nez. Today, honey garlic chicken in the crock pot. Let's cook. Okay, so I'm gonna season our chicken here. Garlic powder. Of course, we're gonna do this on both sides, okay? I'm gonna just show you this one side. Got some onion powder. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Some smoked paprika. And some sazon adobo. Okay, as I said, we're gonna do the other side also. Okay, now we're gonna mix our sauce here that we're gonna cook this in. Got some soy sauce. Some honey. Our chopped garlic. Parsley, some oregano. Come on out now. And we're going to add some ketchup to this. Just mix this all up together. Okay, here's our sauce. Smells outstanding too. I like garlic, all the herbs. Okay, so now let's put everything in the crock pot. We got our potatoes. Some chicken. Put some onions in here also. Everything one pot, baby, one pot. Then we're gonna pour sauce all over this. Try to mix this around a little bit in here. Turn this on high. Cook this for 3 to 4 hours. I'll see you in about 3 to 4 hours. Okay, folks, it's been 4 hours. Look at this. Look at that chicken. Potatoes are nice and soft. Okay, time to plate this. See that, folks? Honey garlic chicken, baby. And the potato, look at it. Skin everything and just falling apart. Okay, let's plate this. Okay, folks, here's our finished product. Honey garlic chicken crock pot. Look at that. Some potatoes. Okay, Ron Daniels, buddy, eat your heart out.